Okay, so so I told you, so your file is stored in SDFS as the sample.txt when you stored on SDFS. So basically, it is a text file format. So I told you before that the whenever the records or the file sorry lines which is taken which is the when file, the block is taken and each line is read and feed it to the your mapper, that activity is done by the record reader. So you can think of it, there is a module which go and reads your block, and that block actually um, um, it reads the block line by line, and it sends the each line to your mapper program. Okay, so if you see this record reader logic is will be different for every file format. Okay, so if it's a sequence file format, so it has to do the it has to be, because the sequence file format, there is another file format called sequence file format. There in data will be morely in the binary format. Okay, so to read the binary data and convert into the string or different whatever data type, the primitive data types, so the record reader will have a logic. So before the data comes, the key value pair, I'll just talk in terms of key value pair. So the mapper will get a key value pair, right? That the key value pair is sent by the record reader, right? So each file, whenever the different file format you have, the record reader it will have a logic, different logic for different file formats, and the lines are sent to the mapper, right? So now when you come to the mapper, so it is going to get the key value pairs. In our case, so this line is coming to your map method of your mapper. Then we just to do the split by words, and we are sending a counter, right? uh, then it is actually then this will actually uh, go to the as a um, uh, for the reducer input as a combination of uh, grouped key, based on a grouped key which is a word, and the grouped values. So here we already summed up. Okay, and then that will be sent to the reducer output into SDFS. Okay, so I will just put this diagram into little differently. Okay, so basically you take this is your input. Okay, so I'll put one module. Okay, this is going to be a record reader. So the why I'm saying record reader logic will change based on the your file format. Record reader sends key value pair. Okay, I'll just say kv key value pair. Now, so this will have for so this block will be read, and this block also will be read. So now you actually have a mapper here. Okay, so in the mapper, this is mapper, and you have map method which takes key value pair, right? So and also context. Okay, so then you convert that each key value pair. Okay, and then example hello, we make a counter 1 and Java 1 and and is one time, you just assign the counters python 1 PySpark 1 and with 1 and MySQL 1. Similarly for other blocks except I'll just put here. Okay, so this is I1 and no 1 and Python 1 and PySpark 1 only and this one. Okay, for the output, so when this is coming a key value pair to a mapper, so the mapper will out from the block 3, it will write I1 or out or U1 and again you have U1s and here U1s and welcome. Okay, welcome all. Okay, now so this is the mapper phase. Or map phase. Okay, so now this output of mapper has to go to the reduce, right? So example, you have a reduce phase here. So for now I'll just put one reducer. Okay, and so during the shuffle and so this has to go here, this output of first mapper, output of second mapper, output of third mapper, right? So you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 key value pairs from mapper 1 and 5 key values pairs from mapper 2 and 7 mappers from the 7 key value pairs from the mapper 3. So so basically it will have the shuffle and sort phase. Okay, so when it comes to reducer input, so it is going to be like hello is only once, I guess. Yeah. Input will be, I'll write input inside, output outside. I'll write. So hello is sent as only one time occurrence like this, and then Java is also only one. Okay, and and here one time, two times. Here one, two times. And Python, if you take a Python, Python is 1 2. Okay, okay, similarly all the words I will talk about one word u. Okay, if you just see the word u, the u word is uh, two entries came, which came from the same mapper, right? Okay, so there is one so similarly there might be a case your key is you have a same key on the same mapper. Okay, so when it sends to the when it's sent to the reducer, okay, So it will send as a separate key value pair, because all the key value pairs will be sent. So after that one, during that after sending, so it will just do the shuffle and sort. So what I'm trying to say is, if the uh, if you have more number of same keys in a same mapper, okay, why can't we aggregate those key value pairs here itself, if we have the same keys, right? So which will actually reduce the uh, data transfer between this node to the reducer node wherever it is running, right? The idea is to, if you have a same key occurring here, key value pairs occurring with the same key, we'll do the aggregate here, right? The aggregate here. So that is done using the concept called combiner. Okay, the combiner is basically does the mini aggregate or local aggregate, or you can call it as local. It is also called it as local reducer. So whatever the reduce logic you are going to do, that will be applied on the this specific mapper output. Okay, then instead of sending two key value pairs of u, what I can do is I can actually uh, do here itself u YOU and send it to here, so that you can avoid the number of key value pairs which is getting passed over the network. Okay, that concept called combiner. Okay, so you understood, right? So why we use combiner, to avoid the more number of key same more number of same key value pairs moving from same reducer, sorry, same mapper to the reducer. So when you process huge amount of data, it's going to be it will actually make a sense to do that. Okay, that's the one I am going to talk in this example. Okay, so this is simple MapReduce program. Okay, so where we have okay, so I put let us put two reducer. Okay, we'll try to see what is how the output is. And here I am not using, I have not configured combiner. I will show you one more project which has combiner. It just one is one property change. Okay, so I will build this jar. Um, Navin install and Navin package. So I will also show you the input data and output data. Input data, I'll remove the output part. So let's go to this HDFS directory. So this has like 4 lines of text. Car, like this car, bus, train, and train, bus, van, and like simple words with few occurring multiple times or few or only single time. We take this as input and we'll run this program. I will remove this sub. I will remove the output directory. SDFS, DFS, hyphen RM, hyphen R. Okay, so I will go this over here. So this is the I told you the packaged jar will be under your project, which is a word count. You'll have a target folder, inside that you will see that jar file. So I take this command. I'll come here. So if you, when the job is running, you can just go and check the progress here. Click here and you see application URL. So only one mapper is running. Such very small file. I have two reduced tasks running because we mentioned two reduced tasks. It is succeeded. Now we'll go, and if you go to output directory, you see the reducer one file for reducer one, another file for reducer two. Okay. So the word is scooter occurring one times and van occurring two times. Set of key values pair has come to this partition file, and another set of key value pairs come to another reducer output. Okay, so how this is decided? Like which key value pairs has to go to reducer one, and which key value pairs has to go to reducer one? Who is deciding? Okay, there is uh, one more uh, kind of how do you say that? Uh, it's intermediate stage, you can say. There is a one more stage called, or module called, partitioner, right? Like we have a record reader which reads your block sequentially and takes each line and send it to the mapper. Similarly, there is another module or uh, stage uh, where your output of your mapper is sent to the partitioner, and the partitioners is the one which decides which key value pair has to go to the reducer 1 or reducer 2. How it does? It does the by default it does the hash partitioning. So it actually find out the hash value of your key. Okay, I'm sorry, the background noise. Okay, so it does the partitioning, hashing on your key, and say example your hash values uh, is the hash value of a particular key is 0, it goes to reducer 1. It sends that key value back to the reducer 1. If the hash value of key is 2, then it goes to the reducer 2. Okay, that's a default partitioner implementation. You can go and change the partitioner code also. You can have your own custom partitioner. So here you can go and your own implementation. You can have it in partitioner as well as record reader. Okay, so now we discussed about record reader, mapper, combiner, partitioner. Now we'll try to use combiner, how we can configure combiner. It's more of using your reducer program on top of your mapper program. Okay. Okay. So actually, custom writing a custom logic on partitioner, probably I will take later session. Okay. So once we cover a few more different components, then I will tell you how to customize the partitioner logic. For now, it's maybe kind of more things on this, and also this is Java code, so I don't want to insist now itself on Java. So we'll just go other components and we'll learn. So when we will come back later of this course, definitely I will take this custom code on partitioner. Okay, so I'll come to here. We saw this, right? I will show you this one more thing here. Okay, so map input were four records, right? So we had 4 lines, right, in the input data. We have 4 lines. That's what the statistics says. The map inputs records was 11, and the output was input records were 4, which is 4 line, and output of map is 11 records. So if you see here 3, 6, 9, 11, because we put everything is a key value, right? So 11 records was output of your uh, map phase, and you see there is a okay, so there is a 6 group, means you have distinct 6 keys, right? So it says reduce input groups are 6, and you see the reducer for reduce input records was 11, because 11 was the output from the map task, so it was input to the reducer. So if you apply a combiner, so some say here, do we have it's more of we have only one block actually, so even it will have it will do um, the reduced logic in the combiner itself, right? I'm sorry, 1 minute, just a minute. So what I'm trying to say is, now when you apply a combiner, okay, so this the aggregation logic going to be applied on the map output itself, and you will see the reduce input become 6, okay, when you apply a combiner. I will show you how to do that. Okay. Do you have any question on that? Whatever I am discussing, is it okay or
And how it will be decided for the key? Because previously you told key is line number, right?
sorry?
So I mean, yesterday we saw key
Yeah.
can be line number, but here why the key is individual words? I mean, any
No,
configuration
no,
anywhere?
no. Key is a line only. See, this I'm talking about key value pairs which has come to the mapper. How
Okay,
many key value pair? There are
it's
4
four
lines,
only.
no?
Yeah,
Yeah,
four
4.
lines. Okay,
So
okay.
this
After
is the
that key, after that it's getting changed to key value pair to word and count, right?
yes. Now 11 words are there, no? That's why it's 11.
Yeah, yeah, but how it is decided? I mean, automatically. If
No, not decided. It's actually whatever you wrote code, right? Um,
oh, okay, okay,
So it's basically statistics of what your code
okay,
generated.
okay, okay, okay. The split
Yes,
function or
yes.
something like that.
So whatever it
Okay.
is, see, whatever you written here, the finally
Okay,
that
okay.
is taken. This how many times this write was happened, that is taken.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
And, yeah, file says KB. That's why it created one block. Correct. You're right. Okay, now, okay, so when we use a reducer, so the aggregate logic will be applied on the only, we have only one mapper, so that on map output itself, the aggregate will happen. So the number of key uh, value passing to the reducer will get reduced. See here, now it is 11 records, right? The input to the reducer, reduce phase, or maybe I'll call it as reduce phase, right? So when I apply combiner, this will become 6. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I will take this example. Okay, go here, open input. So we have only one. Please tell me if this is you got it. So these are key like this is a line, but when it comes to mapper input, mapper one, these are the inputs, right? These are the input. So this is a key is your kind of offset. I'll just say key is 0, and value is this entire line, right? This is the input to your mapper, and then key is line number 1, and the value is the this key, this entire line, right? This part you understood, right?
Right. Yeah.
Right. So similarly for key 4, key value pair 4 and 5, 3 and 4. This is the key value pair 1, and this is 2 and 3. This is which is come to the mapper 1 as an input. So what will be the mapper output? Output is those 11 words.
Okay. Yeah.
So 1 and 1. If somebody asks you interview question on MapReduce, everything the MapReduce questions all going to be on these concepts. There will be a, what is file format used, what is mean by input split, what is mean by record reader, what is mapper, what is combiner, what is partitioner, what is shuffle and sort, what is reducer, what is the output format. So this entire one diagram will help you to answer all your MapReduce related questions. Okay, so this all your map output. Okay, so 5 and 6, so 11. So 4 key value pair has come to the your mapper, and the output of your mapper is 11 key value pairs, right?
Yeah.
So when it comes to reducer as input, so we have two reducer. We have two reducers, reducer 1 and reducer 1, 0 and 1. So okay, for this reducer, what it came is okay, so scooter and van. Okay, so this would have come like this. So this has key and value as the collection, and this would have come van and not like this. Instead, it will be coming like this. Okay, so this was for reducer 1. You got two key value pairs. So basically it will there will be three key value pairs because of the shuffle and sort. So you made this into the grouped. This is the grouped one. Okay. Uh, Number of key value pairs came is 11 only as input to the reduce phase, but the grouped keys are 6. So 2 is from the reducer 1, and this is from the reducer 0. You have two groups, and the reducer 1 you have four groups. So it will be 1 comma 1 comma. This is the input. This is the input. Okay. Now you understood how the statistics shows 6 and 11 and all. Now this whatever we write a code to aggregate this. Now this become scooter 1 and van 2. We made it.
Okay.
Similarly, this one. So this become output become like this. Okay. So you understood, right? So now internally what happened? Weapon difference. Now when we apply so what the idea is, so we'll apply before reduce phase, we have a combiner phase or combiner stage. We'll apply the aggregation logic on the combiner, so that so no need to send the again the duplicate means more number of key same key is to the reducer. So this aggregation logic will do in the combiner itself, so that the number of data transfer will be reduced. Understood? Now,
Yeah.
yeah. Now how we can do? So basically we are going to make use of the reducer class, right? Because that's what we do in the reducer class. We just take the key value pair and we just combine it. Okay. Now if you go to the this, not this. Same project, only the change is there. So we say after setting your mapper class is mapper the word count mapper dot cs class, and you need to set your set combiner class and pass your same reducer class, so that those key value the map output is passed to the combiner, and this word count reducer is applied, and your aggregation logic is done on the combiner itself. This is the only change you do. Okay, so I will build this jar. I think it's already be there. We check. Anyway, I'll try to build it again. Maven install. Maven package. Okay, so we'll take this. I will also delete the output. Okay, so I give you a small assignment for you. Okay, so this whatever we discussed earlier only, it's almost try to do this. Uh, uh, um, I'll just send you this code. You just do. It's more of just changing the a few things, so very little things, and just try it. Just you can try it whether you are able to just try it. So you take employee data set. I think we already discussed that. Yeah, you take this data set. I will send you this employee data set. Just try to find out uh, the department wise total salary. That's it. Okay. Just we already discussed this. You try to do I will send you the MapReduce program. You try to do just do few modification, and you should be able to do this.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you can try it at least. Okay, people who are non-Java people, okay, at least just go through it. People who already little bit of Java, just please try. So I will send you this data set as well as all the programs. Okay, let's see here.
So same thing can be tried in Python also. Or
Yeah,
some...
yeah. Actually, I have Python programs, and I will run and show you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
same thing
Good.
can be done in Java, Python also.
Yeah, Python. Okay, sir.
See here now, this is the statistics of the latest job we ran. We see there is a reduce input records made as 6, and the groups also 6. And there is a 2 more entry got introduced, which is a combiner input, how much input it got and what is the output of the combiner. That means you already applied this the reduced logic being applied in the combiner itself. So moving the data from reduce phase to combiner phase to reduce phase, that the data traffic is reduced. This will improve the execution of your MapReduce job execution time. Okay, probably with this, I will wrap up today. Please let me know if you have any question. We'll discuss. We have another 1 minute. So, one thing is, I will share this input data set, which is employee data set. You try with that example. I will share you the code, all the 3 projects. One is we did it for New York Stock Exchange, and 2 projects for word count. With one is without combiner, one is with combiner. All right. Any other question?
No questions, Pari, but any theoretical document like any PPT and all, please share it so that we will,
Sure,
read it.
Sure, I will do that. Okay, then see you tomorrow morning. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all.